So I've been looking for a really good quality silicone spatula set. I got these on Amazon and this is how they look. I'm so happy with them. They feel really good quality. I've used them a few times already cooking. They are like such a nice shape. As you can see at the end, it's really tapered so you can properly get under the food. This one has a lovely sharp edge, so that's how it looks. The handles have like this lovely grip, so they're not slippery at all. They have little holes so you can hook them. I'll just show you these two. So you've got two other sizes. This one is really good for scraping. Again, it has like a nice clean edge. Again, holes to hang them up and just a really nice grip to the handles. They feel really comfortable to hold. I've used them in like quite high heats and they've been absolutely fine. They're very easy to clean and I think they're great value. So overall, I'm super happy with this set and I would definitely recommend them.